Sometimes our demolding process can feel extra difficult. A lot of stretching and pulling isn't quite releasing the master from the silicone, or we just can't seem to get the bottom of the mold to release from the master. In these situations, we can use a few release helpers to help break the tension between our master and our mold as a last resort. Let's look at a few release helpers and see how they're used. Our first option for some extra help is actually compressed air. Carefully aiming a small amount of compressed air into our mold between the master and the silicone can force air into some hard-to-reach places, including the base of our master. It's not uncommon for this process to immediately dislodge our master, or even in some cases for it to pop out of our mold. Because of this, we'll want to be careful here and always wear the proper PPE. Always start with a little bit of air at a lower pressure in spurts before just opening things up. We may not need a lot of pressure to free our part. If we don't have access to compressed air, then we can use isopropyl alcohol instead. We can relieve the tension between our mold and the master by pouring a small amount of alcohol or just using a spray bottle instead. Then we can work our mold just like before to allow the alcohol to make its way down and around our master. Once it's found its way between our mold and the master, it'll be much easier to separate the two. If we don't have any isopropyl alcohol on hand, or if we're not comfortable using it, we can use warm water in combination with dish soap instead, following the exact same process. Regardless of the release helper we use, we'll want to make sure that we remove any excess that may be left over after removing our master.